Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope student you are safe at your home and you are well. So we are going to start our last lecture of this unit today. Okay, come to page number 20. Open your page number 20. So there are two texts here. One is about Candy Pereira and the second one is about the orphan elephant. Okay, student, we will start from Candy Pereira. This text is about Candy Pereira. I told you different points of Candy Pereira. That Candy Pereira is a celebration which held on every year in Sri Lanka on the point of candy. So here they come here, different elephants come here. They the people decorate that elephant. There 100 elephants are presented in this celebration, and they are beautifully decorated, and they dances on the drum beats, the sound of drum beats, and they enjoy very much here. And dalda is there is word written Siri dalda. Dalda is basically a point, religious place for them, for Sri Lankan people, which means that it is the scared tooth of Buddha. So they come on that place, and they different elephants are brought there, and they people decorate them, and they dance in their own they dance in their own specific way, and they are beautifully decorated. So it is a beautiful sight, and it happens in every year once time. So it is about that celebration. This lesson is about that celebration. You will read, and this will be clear for you after that. Okay, come to second part of this lesson. This is about an orphan elephant. In first paragraph, it shows that there is an orphan elephant who is standing under the tree. He is sad, and he is a small child, and he is very sad, and he is missing his parents. He is not happy, so he wants to enjoy, he wants to meet his parents, but he can't do this. So in third paragraph you will see that, third paragraph, this orphan elephant, when the when the overseer of this elephant brought him with brought that elephant with him on the river side. There are many other elephants, and this orphan elephant enjoy the company of that elephants who are enjoying in the river side, and they are throwing water on others, and they are playing mm, with their trunks. So this orphan elephant goes there, and it enjoys the company, and we will see that at the end of this lesson it will be a happy elephant. Okay. These there are some question answers about orphan elephant, and their answers are here in this page. First, there are words meaning which I have underlined on upper pages. So you will find that words, and you will find their meanings here. So you will write these meaning, and also you will learn them. So there are question answers on page number 22. You will write these questions, and you will write answers, and also you will learn the question answers. Okay, students, then come on page number 23. There is vocabulary. There are some words written here. Write down the words in the text which have the meanings of the following words and phrases. Again, there are phrases. We have to write different words which are suitable for that phrases. First one is gloomy depression. So you will write here dejection, abandon, deserted, uncared for, neglected, mourning, grieving, nestle up to, nuzzle. Okay, then we have question number 2. Morning and morning are homophones, words spelled differently and different meaning but with the same sound. As I already told you that homophones are the words which are having same sound but their meanings are different. So write two sentences using these two words. You will write two sentences by using this morning and morning. So I have written here, one morning is here. I wake up in the morning. So second one is the mother elephant mourning for the lost child. Mourning here meaning mourning is grieving, sadness. So you will write these homophones on your notebooks. Then again there is trunk and trunk. So are homographs, words spelled and sounding the same but the different meanings. Again there are some words which are spelled and sound where their sounds are different same and spellings are same but their meanings are different. Trunk and trunk. So you will write two sentences about trunk and trunk. You will use these two words in those sentences. Okay student, come here on verb tenses. There is written from the text, give example of the following verb tenses. The 5 example of the simple present you have done with it. You will write 5 example of simple present, then 3 example